For many black women, the March for Equal Rights
Y'all are the wombs that are at risk.
has landed on the steps of the U.S. Supreme Court, where a pending opinion could change abortion access.
We will not have access.
Kenda Suttonell is the executive director of Birth in Color RVA in Richmond, Virginia. She says limiting access to abortion clinics will have a direct impact on black women's health care.
People go there for a pap smear. People go there for contraceptive. They go there for birth control. And so when we think about the clinics and stuff that are providing that care, we can't just really think of them as abortion clinics.
CDC data shows black women are nearly 3 times more likely to die during or after childbirth compared to white women. But if abortions are mostly banned, researchers predict those deaths could jump by 33% among black women. But even if they survive, Suttonell says the price to pay is high.
I know I can't afford this baby, but you're forcing mothers to take care of their children. But you want to also look at what social services provides and try to take that away from them too.
Another study shows regardless of race, women who were denied an abortion experienced an increase in poverty, evictions, and bankruptcies. But anti-abortion rights groups say there are resources available.
When women are pregnant and are scared or have young children and can't pay their bills or can't, provide for their basic needs, they contact us.
Kelly Lester knows this personally. She's had 4 abortions and even worked at an abortion clinic before shifting her perspective and joining pro-love ministries.
Women are better than abortion, and women of color are for sure better than abortion. And to say that that is the best that we have for them is really doing a disservice to them.
One resource is the Family Foundation. What is your outreach when it comes to black women? What is being done to reach out to this community?
Yeah, well, the amazing thing is there are so many groups and they tend to work together, and oftentimes people will turn to their family, their friends, and where they gather support. So sometimes that's a faith-based community, and so it's making sure that those are ready to step in immediately with the resources.
With some states planning to ban abortion quickly if Roe v. Wade is overturned, both sides are preparing.
If we can support her, if we can encourage her, if we can provide resources for her, then she will choose life.
No one should be able to take your voice away from you, no matter what choice you decide to make.
In Washington, Kirsten Garris, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.